Hello everyone. So in this video we will understand this pattern and we'll see how we can write the C program for it. Okay, so let's understand the question. So here you can see the number of rows that we have to print. If let's say they are 4 given by the user, then 4 rows are to be printed. If number of rows are 5, then 5 rows to be printed. Right. Okay. Now how this pattern will be printed basically. To understand that we have to understand that how this pattern looks like. That is what is getting printed and in which manner in each row the things are getting printed. What is the gap between the digits in each row basically. Okay, here digits are given. Sometimes characters can also be given. Okay, like A, B, C, D or something like that. Okay, so here you can see if we are having 4 rows. Okay, so then 4 rows are getting printed and the starting digit is 4. If number of rows are 5, then starting digit is 5, right? Okay, and the number of digits in each row, they are equal to the basically the current row number. See, if the current row number, that is I, let's say, okay, it is 2. Okay, then 2 digits are printed, 4 and 3. If the current row number is 3, then here you can see 3 digits are getting printed, 4, 3, 2. Then same way for fourth row, 4 digits. But the sequence of the digits is not in increasing order basically, it is in decreasing order. So if you see the third row, 4, 3, 2, they are in the decreasing order. Same way in fourth row, this 4, 3, 2, 1, they are in the decreasing order. So digits are in the sequence, but they are in the decreasing order. Same way if we go for the like this pattern, if number of rows are 5, okay, if we take any row, okay, let's say you take this row, okay, starting digit is 5 that we have seen, okay, this, and then digits are in sequence, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, they are in sequence, but they are in the decreasing order. They are in the sequence but in the decreasing sequence, like 5, 4, 3, 2, and 4 digits are there because this is fourth row. In fifth row, this sequence will go till 1. Why? Because we have to print 5 digits starting from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. So you think it, we have seen a one previous pattern also in our previous video. Let's see. See, these were the different patterns that we have seen in the previous video, right? And this was one of the pattern that we also saw in the previous video, right? Here, the things was like that they were in the increasing order. In each row, things were in the increasing order, right? Here, for our current pattern, the things are in the decreasing order. 4, 3, 2. Here, 4, 5, 6 in the increasing order. Here, 4, 5, 6, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7 increasing order. Here, starting from 4 but decreasing order. So we can relate our current pattern from the previous pattern and we can use or utilize the C program or the logic of this pattern in our current pattern. Okay, so if you have not seen our previous video, you can see or all those videos in the practice program in C language playlist. Okay, you can find the link in the video description below. So please watch them to understand this pattern in a better. Basically, this was a previous pattern that we have saw in our previous video, and this was the C program, right? So if let's say the rows are 4, right? Then we are saying that it is the starting digit is 4, right? So this was the outer for loop, this was the inner for loop for printing the each row. So the starting is decided by the row variable, right? This row variable. So if row is 4, this will be 4, okay? And accordingly, we saw this condition, that how this condition was getting written here, right? We were saying, okay, if we are in the fourth row, okay, and let's say this is the which row number? Third, I equal to 3, okay, third row. So in that case, this is like this is j equal to 4, j equal to 5, j equal to 6. This thing should be printed by this inner for loop. So starting is j equal to 4, that is okay. So for printing 5 and 6, okay, this condition should be true, okay. So how we were writing this? We were saying, okay, 4 plus this I was saying the number of steps that we have to move ahead, okay. So after 4, we have to print how many more digits basically, like 2 more digits, okay. So we are saying 4 plus this I was like, for this case, I was 3. We are saying I is 3, 4 plus 3, okay. Although we have to go 2 steps ahead after 4, like 5, 6, 2 steps only, but we wrote 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Then to adjust that we have to give 2 steps ahead only, not 3 steps from the 4. Okay, so basically not 3, we are just decrementing it by 1, 3 minus 1, right? 3 minus 1. So then it became as 4 plus 2. After 4, we have to go 2 steps more ahead. 2. So we have to do this manipulation minus 1, right? This we saw in our previous video in the like descriptive manner. So you can watch that video. Okay. So in this way, it would be like 4 plus 2, 6. So in that way, this will run 4, 5, 6 only this time. If we have not did this minus 1, then this will run for 4, 5, 6, 7 also. 7 will also be printed, right? We have seen. Okay. So now the thing is, same way. Let's say if we are here, okay, I equal to 4. So for the fourth row, how this condition will change? See, j equal to 4, it will be same, j equal to 4. But how this condition will change? Row is 4, I is 4, okay, 4 plus 4, 8, okay, 4 starting point plus 4, this is 8. But if 8 is there, then it will run 4, 5, 6, 7 equal to 8. 8 will also be printed, but we do not have to do it. So we subtract it. So it is like 4 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. So after 4, only 3 steps more, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7 will be printed. Okay. Now, let's see our current pattern. This is our current pattern. Now, what was the difference in this pattern? In this pattern, only one difference. That is, the digits in each row, they are in the decreasing order. Here, they are in the increasing order. So if you see, let's say this row, 4, 5, 6, increasing order. Here, 4, 3, 2, decreasing order. 4, 3, 2, 1, decreasing order. But here, 4, 5, 6, 7, increasing order. Rest, everything is same, right? Starting digit is decided by this row variable. Only thing is, outer for loop will remain same, but inner for loop should change. I am keeping this as fixed. That is, printf %d, I have to print j only. Same thing, right? Okay. Now, what should we put here? What should be the condition, and what should be the like here, increment, decrement, or whatever. So one thing is sure, like here we are going in the reverse direction in each digit. That is, we are decreasing. Okay. Start from something and then decrease. That is, start from j equal to something and then decrease. So here we have to do something j minus minus. Right? Let's say we started from something, then we have to do j minus minus. Now the thing is, from where we have to start. So let's say for we run this program for row equal to 4 only. That is this input. Then every time we have to start a new row from 4 only. That is this. So every time we have to write row only. Simple. So if let's say we are in this row, okay, and this is I equal to 3. So for I equal to 3, we come here, j equal to 4, we started from here, this j variable, okay. So we will print like 4, 3, 2. So like after 4, let's say is printed, then we have to decrement j minus minus, then only it will become 3, right? And let's say some condition is written here and that is true, then we will print 3. Then after that we have to decrement by 1, then only 2 will be generated. Then let's say that condition is also true, then 2 will be printed. And then at last 1 will be like j minus minus, it will do like 1, but that condition should be false so that 1 is not printed, because we are in the third row, we do not have to print 1. And then we have to come out, right? So this j minus minus will be there, okay, because we are decrementing by 1. This is equal to j minus 1, right? This is the short notation. Okay. Now what should be the condition that we have to put? Now we can't write here j less than equal to or j less than, right? Because we are going in the reverse direction that we have seen in our previous video of the basic for loop videos, right? So we have to something like j less than or j less than equal to. Now let's see what should be the thing that we have to write here. Okay, it is very simple, same as this. Now see, in this question, let's say you were here, I equal to 3. Okay, then for row equal to 4, you are saying 4 plus 3 minus 1. That is 4 plus 2. That is 2 steps ahead you have to go more. So you were 4, then you are saying 4 plus 2. That is 1 step, 2 step. right? Okay. Now here in this, you do not have to go 4, 5, 6. You have to go 4, 3, 2. That is, you have to go this direction, 4, 3, 2. So what if I write here row, then I will say okay 4, because I have to decrement. See, 4, then 3, then 2. Okay, something should be decremented here. So 4, if I say instead of plus, I say 4 minus, you go 2 step back. Okay, so for I equal to 3, I will write same thing but in the reverse thing. Row minus I. Okay, so for this row equal to 4 and I equal to 3, what will be thing? It will come here, row equal to 4 minus row, okay, I equal to 3, 4 minus 3. Okay, but again, as here we have to do something, right? 4 minus 3 is how much? 1, right? So this will run how many times? So j is 4, and we are writing j less than equal to 1. So this will run 4, 3, 2, 1, right? This will print 1 also. We do not have to account for 1. We have to neglect this. Okay, so we can just say plus, that is plus 1. Row minus I plus 1. Okay, so row minus of I plus 1, that is 4 minus 3 plus 1. So you can say this is like 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Or you can write this as this here. Okay, 4 minus 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2. So this is 4 minus 2. Okay, so this I think you can understand very well. Okay, 4 minus 2. That you want 4 minus 2 steps back. Simple. Okay, so both the things are fine. Either this thing or this thing. Okay, you can keep this in bracket with change of minus I minus 1, or you can write this thing. Okay, so you can run this program in the VS Code and you can see that this works actually. Okay, and if you like try run it 1 or 2 times, you will be able to understand it very well, very well. So this is our program, okay, that we saw. So let's run this program. If we give row as 4, then see our pattern is printed. If we give 5, then our pattern is printed following that pattern. So if you have any question, comment, suggestion, please write down in the comment box, and we'll see our next pattern in our next future video, and we'll see this pattern. Okay, so if you have any suggestion, please write down in the comment box. See you in the next video. Goodbye.